home from Elizabeth, New Jersey. Well, happy Friday, boys and girls. Me and old Blue just strolled home from Elizabeth, New Jersey.
Oh, hi, Jojo. Did you miss me? Did you miss me, huh? Oh, there's Lulu.
I'm going to tell you firsthand, trying to get out of Jersey at 4 o'clock on a Friday is not satisfactory. I'd rather bang a... Really serious? Meatloaf? Way to ruin my night. It's Boston! That is way more gooder. I'm not really sure what the wife with no name was thinking. I'm only going to be home for one day, honey. I'm leaving Sunday. She must think I a lot. It was a sad day 2 days ago. Gave me a notification. I have met my limit for blocking. I can't block anybody anymore. Who knew there was a limit? So now we are inundated, boys, and people trying to sell trucks and people trying to sell and sell this and sell that. Now I understand why she got me all. And then they hit me with Grateful Dead. Serious. So tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. sharp, I have to do a 8-hour OSHA training refreshing hazard via Zoom of our neck. So I've been kind of cranky the last few days between. We're on this local job doing. And it's okay money, but it's not my gig. So I said, because it is work and it pays better than sitting home, but if I want to do that kind of work, I'd have a dump truck. How about it? Dispatch said we're going to be on it for a few months, so if I happen to come up missing, boys, I drove this into a bridge abutment.
You truckers are never happy.
Falling. I just. Well, I'm going to take my old tire.